The problem here is that this catch basin in this driveway is backing up when it rains. So we don't know where the problem, the break is. So what we're doing is we're sending our drain cleaning cable down the line, and we will listen for it on out in the yard to see if we can find it. And here you can see we found the problem. We're digging it up. You can see our cable back there in the background. This is a 6-inch terracotta pipe, and that is a brand new patio that has been poured. So you kind of know that the people that poured that patio crushed this pipe. So here we're digging it out, cleaning it out, getting ready to make the connections. We had a little helper there, a little puppy. He really liked to get the gloves off of our workers. This is the discharge of the pipe, and of course this dog just would not leave us alone, and he's trying to get my glove, and eventually he does get it right off of there, but we're going to keep right on working. This is the replaced section with PVC and corrugated pipe. It's sealed. We're also putting mortar over top of each coupling to hold it very tight in place. And of course we had our great helper. We had to put him back in there. Just one more. What a great little puppy. This is Chuck with Apple James in Charlotte, North Carolina.